Hello guys, so we are back with an interesting topic, which is syncing state across tabs. So we can increment the counter here, we see it syncing here, increment the counter from this tab, seeing it synced with the other one, decrement, and it's synced. So it's pretty interesting, and this could be very get started with this. So let's run that. So how does this work? This is based off the broadcast channel. It turned out to be something that was actually introduced a long time ago, but I was not very familiar with it. So let's start by this. So this is gonna be a channel. Instead of initializing it here, we are going to actually create a ref, and I'll show you why in a second. And then we need to initialize this channel, so we can go ahead and use Copilot help. So we're gonna assign the channel current to a new broadcast channel with a name counter, and this name is what we're going to be using to listen to this channel events. And then we are going to do two things. First off, we're going to add an event listener that listens to messages that are pushed to this channel. So we're gonna do channel.current.add event listener, which is message, and let's say we create another function that handles this message. So this is going to take an event, and then it will verify. Okay, let's put that first. Let's call it here. So here we are expecting to receive a counter. So we need to check if event has data, and then if type of event.data is equal to a number, which is what we're expecting, because here we are receiving a number. So if that's the case, then we set our counter to event.data. So that's step one here, which was create channel, and then step two, add event listener to channel message events. And then third is handling message and ensuring we get the proper data. So I think that's about it when it comes to setting up the. This is actually similar to this, but it does not have like param validation, so we're gonna remove that. So now we have our channel, but we're not actually posting anything to it. Useref is not defined. Yeah, that's expected. Useref is not defined, and this is a string of number. Okay, so now usually we increment our data or like we update our state using the set counter. But now we're gonna do something extra for the broadcast state. So we're gonna do, first thing is to check if channel.current, yeah, just like that. So if we have a channel which is assigned here, we post a message with this new counter, and this counter is a counter previous counter +1, and the same happens or works for this one, but the difference is it's counter -1. But as of the broadcast channel implementation, it's actually the same. This looks cool. It seems to be ready. Let's give it a try. So we have this here, and let's make it full screen. Increment, see if it works. It does work on a singular tab. Does it work on multiple tabs? Let's find out. One. Nice. Let's do another one. So we have two. If you want to decrement it here, decrement it here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's all based on the broadcast channel. And why? The reason we're using ref, if you're initializing it here, it will always get reinitialized every time the component re-renders, resulting in the channel state always being empty, which is going to always make this data empty and resulting in the counter not getting updated in the other tab. So make sure you're initializing the channel using a ref, which avoids its value being re-initialized or like reassigned on every component re-render. Make sure you're closing this channel once the component is unmounted, and I think that's about it. I'm going to be pushing this code to a GitHub repo, and I'll be attaching the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video, and have a fantastic end of the year. Bye bye.